Hello everyone. I am very excited to show you how easy it is to open a trading account on Sherpa. Before we begin, it would be a good idea to keep the following documents handy: PAN card, Aadhaar card, an image of your signature, bank proof, income proof which is only required if you want to apply for futures and options, and multi-commodity exchange trading. Also, please keep your Aadhaar-linked mobile number ready. Let's begin. You can start by entering Sherpa.in in the web browser. After this, when the web page opens, you can click the Open an Account Now button. This will open the KYC journey page, where you need to enter your mobile number. At this point, the screen should ask you for the OTP, which you need to enter as received. You will then need to enter your name and email ID on this screen. Accept the terms and conditions and then hit register. It is time now to verify your email ID. You will receive an OTP by email, which you will need to enter here as received. Please be sure to check your spam folder in case you don't find the OTP in your inbox. Then, click Verify OTP. You should now reach the PAN card screen, where you need to enter the PAN card number. After this, accept the terms and conditions and then hit Submit. The name associated with the PAN card number that you entered should appear here. At this point, simply click Proceed. You will now need to select a brokerage plan. In this example, we have selected the Gold plan. Select the plan as shown here, and then click Proceed. We are now about to proceed to the Aadhaar verification step. For this, click Proceed to DigiLocker. You will now be asked for your Aadhaar number. As shown here, just enter your Aadhaar number when prompted. Then, click Next. At this point, you will be asked for the OTP, which you will receive on the mobile number linked to the Aadhaar details that you provided. Enter the OTP here, and then click Continue. You just need to click Allow on this page, and then wait while your details are fetched. When the details are ready, you will be prompted to close the window. You will now see your details on this page. Click Submit. After this, you will need to fill in a few other basic details as shown here. It is time now to fill your banking information. Enter your bank account number and then verify it by entering it again. After this, enter the IFSC code and click the search icon to auto-populate the MICR code. If you have a UPI ID, you can enter it in the field or simply click Submit. If the bank account number is not verified, you can choose to proceed with the same information or cancel to enter some other bank information. After this, you will be asked if you want to transfer margin money. You can enter any amount you want to invest initially, or you can choose to skip this step for now. You will now be asked to upload your documents. You will need to go through the options one by one and upload the required documents. If you do not have the documents handy, you can make a note of the same, gather the documents, and upload them as per your convenience. Once you complete the documentation process, you can click Submit for verification. Your documents will now be verified, and you will receive email communication on your registered email ID. This will barely take a few minutes. When the verification process is completed, you may need to enter your mobile number and OTP again on the link you receive by email. You will simply be returned to this screen, where you will find that the application approved indicator has turned green. All you need to do at this stage is click the Proceed to eSign button. Then, click eSign. Wait for a few moments and you will be directed to this screen, where you simply need to accept the terms and conditions and click Accept. Now, You will be prompted to enter your Aadhaar number once again. Once you do that, you will receive one final OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP number here and click Verify OTP. Moment or two later. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your registration. Thank you for choosing Sherpa to be your investment partner. We look forward to serving you. You may proceed to download the app from Google Play Store or iOS App Store, or simply continue on the web. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, where we routinely post content to enrich your investment experience with us. You can also head to our website, www.sherpa.in, and check our blogs. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.